In this video, he will walk you through how to make AI-generated video using elai.io.
Oh my god guys, I just found this website elai.io, which is insane. It's very similar like Synthesia, and you can also make your own avatar. So you can take a selfie and make yourself talk. So here's an example.
Hi there. I'm Alex, a digital twin of a real person, created by elai.io. Generate your own custom avatar based only on the video snippet recorded on your smartphone.
Can you imagine the future that, someone took your photos or maybe took your videos and then they just use text-to-speech and admit or commit something bad, and then you have to go to the jail because of that? Man, that's crazy. The AI is taking over the world.
Generate your own custom avatar based only on the video snippet recorded on your smartphone or web camera.
Hi there, I'm Vitali, a digital twin of a real person, created by elai.io. Generate your own custom avatar.
But I do think there's a good case for this. Let's say maybe you are someone famous, right? For example, let's say people have a video of Bruce Lee. People can use Bruce Lee to continue the legacy, like for example, talking like advice. Maybe this will be useful for people who are making motivational videos, and people will keep continuing making those content on YouTube. So I will put a link down below. You can check out Elai. Once you sign up, this is the backend of your dashboard. Basically, you just want to click on create here, and then there are already templates that you can choose from. This is good for how-to videos, a YouTube intro. You can see there YouTube intro, how-to videos, audio app, wedding invitation. You can also play around with this, news, winter sales, reason to buy, dress for sales, sales promotion. So they have a bunch of template that you can use. A product explainer. Let's say you have a product and you have a project for your clients. You can use this product explainer. I'm going to share an example here. Just click on create video. On the left hand side is the video scenes. They have a total of 5 video scenes. If you want to add more video scenes, you can just click on add slides. Or if you want to keep the same scene, you can duplicate it. So you will use the same duplicated slide. Let's say if you want to use this slide, you can duplicate it. And then you can just drag it to the bottom. It's also possible. So the first thing that you want to do is that you want to change the script down there. Okay, this is the script that you can change. For example, I want to change it. It is awesome app, the ultimate tool for making money on YouTube, as an example. At the top right, you will see that this is a voiceover actor that you can click on. They have quite a lot of voiceover. You can see they have English and other different languages. You can play around with it, and you can preview by clicking on this button.
A good leader can connect with anyone, no matter what the situation or environment.
And Eva.
Once your script is ready, you can start creating a video right away. Add images, screencasts, and music on the go.
This sounds very similar like Well Said Labs. Eva.
Have you ever wondered if there is an easier way to create videos, especially in
Sophia.
The value of a professional 1-minute video produced is undeniable.
Vanessa.
The modern world is fast-paced.
A company's culture has a huge impact on its success and employees.
Nicole.
Every company and marketer's ultimate objective is to go viral or to reach millions of prospective customers.
So far, I like Nicole and Aria. I'm gonna keep using Aria, and I'm gonna apply voice. You can apply to all, or you can use different voices for individual scenes. Let's say the second scene, you wanna use a male avatar. You can click it, and then you can select a male avatar. Let's say if you want to use this guy, right, just click on it and you can see different outfits there that you can use. So this is casual outfit, this is business outfit, and then it will automatically change in your video. And then this is the second text for the second slide. You can change the voiceover as well for the male voiceover.
Videos that provide valuable information are often shared much more frequently than those that just entertain people.
Explainer videos show what your product is all about.
product's success is heavily dependent on advertising and
with an overflow of courses on the web. It's crucial to conduct measures to stand out and provide quality content compared to other services.
I do like this one, Paul.
Selling online may be endlessly profitable.
Nope.
Social media is a strong tool that allows anyone to watch and share content quickly. A simple share button makes it easy for...
Man, this is also cool, Jeremy.
When learning something new, it's often easier to remember things visually rather than reading out loud.
Okay, Christopher. I'm gonna apply voice. So this is your text. If you change it, you can preview it by clicking on this button.
Our app makes it easy to keep track of your daily pill and reminds you to take it at the same time every day, helping you stay on schedule and reducing the risk of missed doses.
So if you want to use your own voice, or if you want to upload any voiceover, let's say you hire people from different places, you can upload it right here. Or if you want to have no speech, you can select that. And you can also press on Ctrl Z to undo your work. That's what I like about this tool. You can just Ctrl Z to undo it, or Command Z. So let's render this voiceover.
Introducing our new Eddie's Awesome app, the ultimate tool for making money on YouTube.
If you notice, her lips is not moving. It's because you haven't rendered it, the whole project. You need to render the whole project. After you render the whole project, the lips will move. Now let's go over to the images here. You can add images. So let's say this is the background images. You can enlarge it. And then you can apply as background. You can see right there, there's the background. So this is another creative that you can change, which is the phone. You can select individual items here and you can delete it if you want. Let's say this pill. Okay, let's say this pill, I want to make it in front of her. I can click this forward. Okay, I can press on forward. So the pill will show in front of her. If you want to bring it backward, click on to back. And then it's disappear. Or you can put it to front. Or you can click, forward, backward. You can experiment with it. And then I'm gonna bring her here. Same thing with the character. You can make it smaller, you can make it bigger, however you want. So it's very, very customizable. And also the text, you can double click it. You can change it to your name or something. Or you can also play around with the background color. So it's very customizable. They have animation, you can see down there. There's fade in, fade from left. Here again, you can click on text, elements. For example, videos, you can click on see all. This is where you can search for a specific video. Let's say if we want to find medicine, you can search for medicine. So these are videos that, that you can put right there. So we're gonna add this. Say we're gonna make it bigger. And then if we want to bring it to the back, you can click on apply as background. So you will see right there. So when we play the video.
Introducing our new Eddie's Awesome app, the ultimate tool for making money on YouTube.
You will see this background video is going to keep playing while she's talking. Now the text, I'll delete the text there. I'm going to put her here. You can also find stickers. There are many stickers that you can use. Images, and then music. You can add a background music. You can preview any of them, and also you can play around with the volume. What I like is that they already preset the volume to 8. It's good because this is background music. After all, you want to have it below 15 usually. So this is great enough. Again, you can change individual scenes. Let's say if you want to change to a different person, you can change it again. So overall, it's very customizable. You can change the text, what they need to say, and then you can change the voiceover. So let's say this is all done. I'm gonna click on render. So we can render 1080p for free. If you want a 4K, you gotta upgrade. So I'm gonna start render here. You can also click on play to preview it if you want to.
Introducing our new Eddie's Awesome app, the ultimate tool for making money on YouTube.
Our app makes it easy to keep track of your daily pill and reminds you to take it at the same time every day, helping you stay on schedule and reducing the risk of missed doses.